Hello everyone, my name is Abby Bliss White and welcome to my channel. Today I'm so excited because I have a new House of Sillage unboxing. This is the new Lunar New Year Spring Fragrance and Beauty box. And you guys, let's take a moment and let's take a minute to look at this beautiful new packaging. This is the new House of Sillage logo, and look at this little Lunar New Year packaging. It is so pretty. So today I'm so excited to do a little unboxing video with you and show you everything that's included inside. So if you're interested in seeing this new House of Sillage unboxing, then let's go ahead and get started. Oh my goodness, I have to admit I already know what is inside of this and I'm dying because there's some of my favorites in here. So first of all, I love the new packaging and I'm just going to slip this off. So I'm going to take the little outside covering off, and then inside we have, just like they always come, beautifully packaged. And then we'll open the contents inside. Got a little note here from the House of Sillage team, and this is one of their new spring releases, and you guys, it's so included in this new Lunar Year Spring 2021 collection. You are going to receive one of the beautiful bow lipstick cases, and you guys, it is in the most beautiful coral shade. So it comes along in this beautiful packaging. And then you get a little travel case, hard travel case that you can stick in your purse. And it comes with in its own little silk pouch here. And then look at how precious this is. This is in the coral tone and it is absolutely perfect for spring. You guys, is this the prettiest thing ever? I am in love with this color. So beautiful, definitely spring inspired, such a poppy little color. And of course, the attention to detail on all of these beautiful bow lipsticks is just so exquisite. Okay, so the obsession with this is real. I am dying over the beauty of it. And then it comes with 4 diamond lipstick refills. So we are going to try on all of these colors today, and you guys, they include all of my favorites. We've got Nude Sakura, Exotic Rosewood, Royal Highness, and Royal Seduction. So you guys, this might be my absolute favorite bow lipstick. It just makes me smile and I love so many of them, but is this just such a fun color? It could also be that I'm so ready for spring, and unfortunately we even had snow here in Portland. It didn't stick, but I'm ready to escape to a little bit warmer weather. So today we're going to pretend that it is spring and do a little fun lipstick try on. So let me just show you. This is your refill that you get, and you just open them up just like this, and then you're going to click it just like that. We'll take the lid off, and let me give you a swatch as well as a lip swatch. So this is the beautiful Nude Sakura. And this is the shade Nude Sakura. I just love this one because I don't feel like it washes me out. I still get that kind of nude lip that I love. And you could also intensify this by putting a lip liner on beforehand. and then topping it with this beautiful lipstick. So you guys, I have talked about this before many times, but the way that I originally got into the House of Sillage was through their lipsticks. And I absolutely love the formula. They are creamy. They have diamond powder in them, so I feel like they give my lips a little bit of oomph. They also grip the lips, if you know what I mean. Sometimes when glossier kind of hydrating lipsticks are on, sometimes they can be a little slippy. These ones grip your lips, but they also give you a little bit of shine, and I find that they're just fantastic, especially for someone who might have a little bit more mature lips, a few lines here and there. The vitamin E in here and the hyaluronic acid just kind of plumps up the lips, and they're just super comfortable. So love this formula, and I do really like Nude Sakura. Next shade we have is Exotic Rosewood. This one is a deep, warm nude with medium brown undertones. As you can imagine, this is one of my favorites. It's a great day-to-day kind of everyday shade. And this is the shade Exotic Rosewood. Next we have Royal Highness. This is a bright berry toned pink for the most powerful color statement. It embodies the essence of femininity. This one is such a fun color. And this is Royal Highness. And with some of the bolder kind of colors, I really love to just kind of dab them on. I don't have to do a full slick. I will just sort of dab them on just a tad and then just kind of use my finger and give myself that kind of popsicle stain. So if bolder colors scare you, you can definitely still wear them, just in a little bit more of a stain formula. And that is the other thing about these lipsticks. They have great longevity. So if you want to shear them out, you definitely can. But as you can see, beautiful kind of opaque kind of coverage here. And last but not least, you're going to receive Royal Seduction. And this is a deep blue-based red. And it just is so complimentary on so many skin tones. So these are the 4 lipsticks that come in this box. Let's put on Royal Seduction. And this is the shade Royal Seduction. So again, the 4 lipstick refills that you'll receive are Nude Sakura, Exotic Rosewood, Royal Highness, and Royal Seduction. So it's going to give you a nice range from kind of that nude to an everyday rosewood shade, and then 2 really fun kind of poppy bold shades. Next, you're going to receive the beautiful Whispers of Truth. This is the travel case, and you guys, this is absolutely stunning. Inspired by the decadence and joaillerie craftsmanship of its full-size perfume, the Whispers of Truth fragrance case is encrusted with over 400 multicolored diamond-cut Swarovski crystals that capture the opulence of its full-size counterpart. This fragrance case allows you to take any House of Sillage fragrance vial with you anywhere. So this is the newly released travel case for the Spring 2020 collection. As many of you know, one of my favorite perfumes from the House of Sillage is Whispers of the Truth. And this is just one of the most absolutely gorgeous, stunning cupcakes that they have. And I have to say, I'm just blown away by this travel case, you guys. It is so pretty. It's got the different little colors in it. I just think it is fantastic. And then of course you're going to receive 4 of the travel refills right in here. So we'll pop one of these in, and then you're simply going to take one of the refills and you're going to pop it in to your beautiful travel case, and then you are ready to go. So of course we're going to go ahead and put some of this beautiful perfume on. So the Whispers of Truth is my favorite out of the Whispers in the Garden collection. There's so many beautiful perfumes, you guys, but this one just steals the show. I love this so much. And you guys, this perfume is absolutely stunning. I always tell people, if you are a fan of Baccarat Rouge 540 from Maison Francis Kurkdjian, you are going to be obsessed. To me, I find this to be a little bit more elevated version of that Baccarat 540. It has that intoxicating kind of opening, but this one is a bit more elevated. It does not have that sort of medicinal note that many people talk about when they talk about Baccarat 540. To me, this is kind of the more elegant, upgraded version of this. It opens with a citrus burst. It's got orange, grapefruit, and bergamot. So it's got that kind of light, fresh airiness. And then in the heart notes, you've got layered in some beautiful florals. And that's going to be rose and jasmine. And I love this because, again, it's perfectly balanced. It's not too florally. It's definitely got that little citrus, a little bit of floral. And then it's going to, this one also has really nice longevity. You are going to get wafts of this throughout the day. It's going to stay with you, but again, it just doesn't have any sort of overwhelming element to it. It's just going to give you a little bit of that softness, a little bit of sweetness, but definitely grounded by that musk and moss. So I absolutely adore that perfume. My sort of top 3 perfumes that I grab the most from House of Sillage is going to be Whispers of Truth, followed by my Tiara. I love that one. And then I love Passion de l'Amour. That's another one when I want something more rich and exotic. And this scent is what I would describe one that I pull for most on kind of that everyday kind of scent. It is classy, it is sophisticated, but it's also got a little bit of freshness from that citrus. It's also got a little bit of that sweetness that I enjoy, but again, not cloying whatsoever. This is one that my daughter says smells like me. She's not a fan of Baccarat 540 at all. She does not care for it, and this is one that she just calls like my Abbey scent. I wear this often, so she always associates House of Sillage with the Whispers of Truth, so she calls it the pretty cupcake fragrance. So she's like, oops, you're wearing that House of Sillage pretty cupcake scent, and I'm like, yep, I am. So you guys, just a gorgeous scent. This fragrance is also a compliment getter. If that is something that you are looking for in a fragrance, this is one that's going to give you that. So I tend to find that the fragrances that I get complimented on the most tend to be either kind of freshies, kind of those crisp kind of fragrances, or something that's a little bit more sweet. And this one's going to kind of bridge the gap with both of those. So again, great fragrance, beautiful travel case. I am seriously obsessed with this coral lipstick case. It makes me want to kind of splash out in a sundress. It's got a little bit of a tropical vibe. So you know what? I'm going to pretend that I'm going on a tropical vacation. I'm going to pull out my coral lipstick case, got my perfume going on, and I just think this is a fantastic gift set. So this Lunar New Year Spring Fragrance and Beauty set is worth $818. It is on sale for $485. So again, you're going to get the beautiful coral lipstick case along with 4 of the lipstick refills. You are going to get the exclusive Whispers of Truth travel case, as well as 4 refills These are the 8 ml. And you guys, I have a lot of the little refills and they last a really long time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I'm a little bit blown away over on this side. This is just another stunning release from the House of Sillage. So in love, and I'm so excited to be wearing this perfume today. It's just making me happy, and I'm just so very grateful. So I hope you guys enjoy your day, and I will be back with another video soon.